Hey guys, it's Adam G here. So this is just going to be a little update on my Audi A3. We've seen it crash. It wasn't an awful crash though, but it left it undrivable for a little while. So I'm just going to tell you what were the costs involved, what did I do with it, and just a lot of other little stuff. I was drifting my Audi, which was a front wheel drive by the way, and it was not a good idea, which ended me busting the radiator, the intercooler, the air conditioning condenser, also the front bumper, the radiator support, couple of boost pipes, including sensors. So let's get started.
So if I could just clear all the rubbish here. This is actually what's left of the aircon condenser. Those are the fans, which are not in the best state really. The radiator frame is broken in multiple places, which include the bumper mounting points, the headlight mounting points, and this is the whole radiator assembly, which is not good. So to get a new radiator assembly, including the big plastic frame, costed me £100 used. Now take a wee dander in the garage. Yeah, that's real tidy. Okay, so these are the two pipes that had to be replaced. This plastic one, which also included airflow sensor, I believe. So this pipe was no good to use. So I had that replaced at a cost of £10. I did not replace that pipe at first because I thought this metal bit was good to use as it is. I've tried sealing it with silicone 4 times and all 4 times it blew the silicone out. So, and me being the smart person I am, I decided to buy this piece for £30, which was quite too much in my opinion for a little piece of rubber, but this is the boost leak solved now, because beforehand it used to smoke a lot, it would lose power and it would go into limp mode a lot. Yeah.
And the Audi has went into the limp mode once again. Turn off the engine. Turn it back on. And there we go. Power!
You know what? I think I should just start collecting old bumpers and, you know, hang them on the wall. But this is the old bumper of my A3, which I've tried drift stitching. Did not look too well, I'll be honest. Besides, it was bent, it was cracked, it had deep scratches, and it would have been far cheaper for me to buy a new one, which I have done. So after days and days of searching for a bumper with cutouts for the headlight washers, the only things I could find were silver and grey bumpers, which would require me to have them repainted, and they were coming up quite high at about £150 used. But one day a listing appeared for a red bumper with cutout holes, which was brand new, and it was on discount as well. So instead of paying £400 for it, I actually paid £95 for a brand new red bumper. How is that? I've got this lovely shiny grille for just under £35. And look at this lovely S-Line badge. This just screams luxury.
And do you think this is where my problems stop? You'd be foolish to think so. About 2 weeks ago, I purchased myself a set of brand new Dunlop tyres for about £210, all 4 of them, which was quite a good deal. And then driving from Dublin 2 days after my brand new tyres were fitted, I've managed to hit a massive pothole about this deep that tore a sidewall on one of the tyres, and one brand new tyre later, £75 down the drain. Amazing. But I suppose a tyre puncture is something that you can fix easily, you know, you just bring it to the garage, they get it fitted for you, but what about those problems that are not easily solvable? I mean, electrical problems. Okay, so I was driving to Belfast last week, and so what happened was that my wiper stopped working just as it started to rain, and I mean rain heavily. But I mean the wipers, they were wiping something, then the driver's headlight went off. I had no idea what was happening. Okay, so say it's raining and I want to turn on my wipers. They wipe something, but say I want to be seen in traffic, turn on my headlights, and I'm just gonna turn these off real quick. There we go. So drove to Belfast. By that time the rain stopped, and as you know, once the sunlight hits the windscreen, everything dries out, and if you drive behind, say for example a lorry, your windscreen is bound to get dirty. So this is what happened to me. For 80 miles I was driving with no windscreen wipers, 50 of them were behind the lorry. Visibility was amazing. I came back home, I opened the bonnet to see if the wiring's okay, if the linkage is not broken. Then as I was closing the bonnet, it slipped and it shut very hard, and then lo and behold, the headlight came on and the wiper started wiping again. Explain this. But yeah, the problem is gone now. It's driving okay. There's no boost leak or anything following the crash. So, back to the road. In case you're wondering, the grand total of my adventures, including the tire, totals up to £397. That's including all the shipment and everything. So that's just under £400 for a little drift in the snow and an otherwise small puncture. So considering I've bought this car for £1,600, I've basically paid almost a fourth of its value just to have a bit of fun in the snow. So please be wise and don't do that unless you're okay with paying money for repairs, I guess. But this car is going well, I like it, and so yeah, I think that's it for this time. So please subscribe, please like, share, comment, all the usual stuff, and see you next time.